Good morning students. In dual nature of radiation and matter, this is integrated video 5th one. In it, we are discussing a small numericals respect of concept photoelectric effect and wave theory of light. Okay, for the concept we are discussing here numerical. In that, first numerical is the light of frequency. How much they gave? 1.5 times of the threshold frequency. Threshold frequency we will written as nu naught. Says or no? So the light frequency nu dash equals to or nu equals to what they gave? 1.5 times of threshold. That means 1.5 times of nu naught is incident on photosensitive material. It must be incident upon photosensitive material. Then what they ask? What will be the photoelectric current? What will be the photoelectric current? How can you tell that photoelectric current? Very simple. If number of photons will increase, photocurrent will increase. Okay. So here they are asking that I. But conditions are here they gave if the frequency is half out and intensity is doubled. Now what happened? The new frequency, that means nu double dash equals to nu dash by 2. Frequency will be become half. Then what happened? It is nothing but 1.5 nu naught by 2. That is nothing but 0.75 nu naught. See here. If the frequency is a nu naught threshold frequency, this value will be less than that one. Nu naught is initial threshold frequency, but here 0.75 nu naught. That means what the incident frequency of light, that must be less than threshold frequency. That must be less than threshold frequency. If it is less than threshold frequency, then what happened? So 0.5 nu naught is less than threshold frequency. Then what happened? No photoelectric effect takes place. No photoelectric effect takes place. Clear? What the incident light, that must be less than threshold frequency, then no photoelectric emission. No photoelectric emission will here. That means if intensity of light will be doubled, whatever it may be the intensity, if the light incident with less than threshold frequency, there is no photoelectric effect. Okay, this is the first one. That means no photoelectric effect means that option is 0. Clear? Now here numericals on Einstein's photoelectric equation. In it, first numerical is the work function. What they gave? Work function of photosensitive material is 4 electron volt. That means phi r phi naught, that equal to 4 eV. What they give? Work function phi equal to 4 eV. Clear? The longest wavelength of light that can cause the photo emission from the substance is. Already we know that. So phi equal to h nu naught. This nu naught we will written as phi equal to hc by lambda naught. Says or no? Because of already we know that c equal to nu lambda, from that nu equal to c by lambda, already we know. So here if it is a threshold, wavelength is also be nothing but threshold. The threshold wavelength is nothing but longest wavelength. Okay. Now substitute the all values. Then lambda naught equal to what you can get? hc by phi. What about h value? What they gave? Very simple. Already we know that HC value already we measured as 12,000. So lambda naught equal in short form already we measured 12,400 EV nanometer. Already we measured that one. Here in electron volts. So EV nanometer by how much they gave? 5 value how much they gave? 4 EV. So we will write as a 4 EV. Then solve that. Then you can get very easy answer. How much it is? Here angstrom means 12400. Nanometer means 1240. Now 4 will be here. 4 will be 3 times 1 0. So EV. So lambda naught equal to what it is? 310 nanometer. The same formula if you want to write 12,400 EV angstrom. Angstrom means 12,400. Nanometer means 1240 EV nanometer. Okay, in shortcut this formula we want to be remember. Okay, clear? So now the answer is 310 nanometer. See here, when light of frequency 2 nu naught is a threshold frequency. The incident on metal plate, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted is V1. Einstein's, what is the photoelectric equation of Einstein's? Einstein's photoelectric equation E equal to, what we write? E equal to 5 plus kinetic energy maximum. This is called Einstein's photoelectric equation. In terms of frequency, what you can write? H nu equal to H nu naught plus half m v square maximum. You can write like this. This is the Einstein's photoelectric equation. Now in return, what the data given? The light of frequency, how much they incident upon the metal plate, with which frequency? 2 nu naught. So here we want to take H into 2 nu naught, that equal to H nu naught plus half m. At that time the frequency will be 2 nu naught. At that time the velocity is nothing but v1. So v1 square. If you solve this, here what you have? 2h nu naught, that equal to h nu naught plus half m v1 square. From that this nu naught, h nu naught take this side. Then what you can write? You can written as 2h nu naught minus h nu naught. How much it is? Direct step I am writing here. So h nu naught equal to half m v1 square. This is equation number 1. After that what they gave? When the frequency of incident radiation is, how much it is now? 5 nu naught. How much it is? 5 nu naught. First initially 2 nu naught. So with the 2 nu naught we get one equation. Similarly, I want to be substitute here. General equation h nu equal to h nu naught plus half m v maximum square. This is the Einstein's photoelectric equation. Now how much the frequency of incident light? Now it will become 5 nu naught. Then here I want to be placed h into 5 nu naught, that equal to h nu naught plus half m. When it is 5 nu naught, at that time velocity will be how much it is? v2. The velocity of emitted electrons from plate, same plate, that is v2. Then what you can write instead of here? I want to be write as v2. Clear? Now 5 h nu naught, that equal to h nu naught plus half m v2 square. Now by using this one, take this side, solve this equation. This h nu naught, take this side. 5 h nu naught minus, I will write one more step, don't bother. So 5 h nu naught minus h nu naught, that equal to half m v2 square. Clear? Now 5 nu naught, 5 h nu naught minus h nu naught, how much it is? 4 h nu naught, that equal to half m v2 square. This is equation number 2. Now we have the two equations. One is h nu naught equal to half m v1 square. Similarly, h nu naught equal to half m v2 square. Now what they are asking? The ratio of v1 to v2. So we want to take it as 1 by 2. If you write the 1 by 2 equation, then half m v1 square by half m v2 square, that is equals to, here in first equation what we have? H nu naught. So h nu naught by downside 4h nu naught. So h nu naught get cancelled. Half get cancelled, mm get cancelled. So what we have? v1 square by v2 square equal to 1 by 4. So v1 by v2 equal to velocities. v1 by v2 equal to how much you can write? 1 by 4 and root. That means v1 by v2 equal to how much it is? 1 by 2 ratio. How much it is? Answer is 1 by 2. How much you get? 1 by 2. That is the answer. Clear? Very simple. Initiate we want to take it here 2 nu naught. So 2 h nu naught minus h nu naught, that equals to h nu naught. Okay? At that time it will become as v1. And similarly, here instead of this nu, we will take a 5 h nu naught. So 5 h nu naught minus h nu naught, that equals to 4 h nu naught. At that time the velocity will be v2. Clear? Now take the ratio. Then you can get the answer 1 by 2. Clear? Next one is, see here in this problem, the photoelectric threshold wavelength of silver is given. Threshold wavelength means lambda naught. How much did they give? Lambda naught. Lambda naught equal to 3250 into 10 power minus 10 meter. 10 power minus 10 meter we can written as angstrom. So 3250 angstrom. The velocity of electron ejected from a silver surface by ultraviolet light of wavelength. One more wavelength given, that is lambda. So lambda equal to how much it is? 2536 into 10 power minus 10 meter. This we can written as 2536 angstrom, because of 10 power minus 10 equal to angstrom unit. Okay. Now what they are asking here? What they are asking? The velocity of electron ejected from the metal surface. Here they are asking velocity of electron ejected from the silver surface. They are asking. So velocity. If we want to write the velocity formula, so first of all we want to take Einstein's photoelectric equation. What is Einstein's photoelectric equation? Kinetic energy maximum, that means half mv square. Kinetic energy maximum, that equal to half mv square, that equals to E minus phi naught. That means h nu minus h nu naught in terms of threshold. How can you write? H nu minus h nu naught. Okay, previous already we wrote this one. K maximum equal to E minus phi naught or phi. Okay, we will write like this. That's why I wrote like that. Now, in terms of lambda, how can you convert this one? Nu equal to nothing but C by lambda. Say yes or no? So, how can I write now? Half m v square, that equal to h into c by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. Now hc take out common, then half m v square, that equal to hc into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda. Subtract the all values. Half into mass of proton. Already we know that 9.1 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Okay, into v square. We don't know. We want to be measure that v. So I am written as a v square. Next, H value. Here already H value given. How much it is? 4.14. So 4.14 into 10 power minus 15. What about C value given? 3 into 10 power 8. Okay, here already that value given. This H and C values are, we wrote there only, into 1 by lambda value. How much here? 2536. 2536 minus 1 by 3250. Okay, we substitute these all values here. If you will solve these one, finally you can get how much is the value? Approximate you can get this velocity v equal to this one, you can take that side. Okay, this one take this side. Then v equal to total under root. I am writing directly that one. Okay, 2 into this value will be become as HSE value 12420 EV angstrom. Okay, in terms of angstrom it will be 5 digits number will come. This 2 I want to take this side. Okay, into here if you take LCM 3250 minus 2536 by 2536 into 3250 whole divided by, here mass is there na, so mass will come to this side, then it will become 9.1 into 10 power minus 1. If you cancel these all, finally you can get the answer V equal to 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. How much you get? Approximate you can get 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. Clear na? Very very simple. If you know the Einstein's photoelectric equation, that is Ke maximum equal to E minus phi naught. In it, kinetic energy maximum, that is half mv square equals to h nu minus h nu naught. In terms of C and lambda, how can you measure that? How can you convert that? hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. Clear? So half mv square equal to hc into 1 by lambda minus 1 by lambda naught. If you substitute these all values, and finally what you can get? Velocity v equal to how much you get? 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. See here in this sum, photoelectric surface is illuminated successively by a monochromatic light of wavelength lambda and lambda by 2. Okay. If the maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectrons in the second case is 3 times that in the first case. Here they gave one small condition. What the conditions they gave? Kinetic energy of maximum 2. Okay. In the second case, so kinetic energy of max 2. Second case is that in 3 times of first case. 3 times of first case means 3 into kinetic energy of maximum in first case. They gave the condition. Already we know that Einstein's photoelectric equation. What is that? Kinetic energy maximum Ke maximum equals to, what you can write? H nu by phi naught. In terms of lambda, because of here light wavelengths are considered, so what you converted that? So I will convert this one. So Ke maximum 1 initiate, that equal to, what can I write now? Hc by lambda minus phi naught. Equation 1. Next, kinetic energy Ke maximum 2, second case. In it, how much the lambda? Lambda will become lambda by 2. Lambda will become lambda by 2. Then what can I write? Hc by lambda by 2 minus phi naught. If you will solve, this 2 will move up. Say yes or no? Then kinetic energy maximum 2, that equal to 2 hc by lambda minus phi naught. This is equation number 2. Now these two are substituted here. Note down Ke maximum 2, that is how much from equation 2, what you can write? 2hc by lambda minus pi naught, that equal to 3 times of. In first case, what you can get? hc by lambda minus pi naught. So I want to write hc by lambda minus pi naught. Now multiply with this one, then 2hc by lambda minus pi naught, that equal to 3hc by lambda minus 3 pi naught. Here we have minus 3 pi naught, take this side, it will become plus. So what you can write? 3 pi naught minus pi naught, that equal to 3hc by lambda minus 2hc by lambda. Now here what you can write? 2 pi naught, that equal to 3 pi naught minus pi naught, how much it is? 2 pi naught. So 2 pi naught equal to here hc by lambda take out common. Then 3 minus 2, how much it is? 1. Or 3hc minus 2hc by lambda, how much it is? It is nothing but hc by lambda. Clear? Then work function of the middle surface phi naught equal to what it is? It will come downside, then hc by 2 lambda. How much the answer? hc by 2 lambda. Are you understand? To know this one, Einstein's photoelectric equation we want to know, that is kinetic energy maximum is equals to E minus phi naught or h nu minus phi naught in terms of lambda. What you can write? H instead of this nu, hc by lambda. Are you understand? hc by lambda minus pi naught. This is the first equation. Okay, in the first equation what we wrote? The lambda will be given. That lambda will be given as the same as the lambda. That's why I wrote only lambda. In the second case, what they gave? Instead of that lambda, we have lambda 2. We have lambda 2. Clear? So Ke maximum 2, that equal to hc by lambda by 2 minus pi naught. This 2 will move up, then it will become 2 hc by lambda minus pi naught. Now by using these two equations, we have one small condition. What the conditions they gave? The kinetic energy of emitted photoelectrons is, in the second case, is 3 times that in first case. Second case is 3 times that in first case. That means, what can you write? Ke maximum equal to, this is the important case here, what the data given according to the problem. Clear? So Ke maximum 2 equal to 3 times of first time energy. Clear? So Ke maximum 1. Then Ke maximum 2 already from equation 2 already we have our equation, that is 2 hc by lambda minus pi naught. That only here I wrote. 3 into Ke maximum 1, that will be as in the first equation, this equation. I want to write these two in these equations. Now multiply with this 3 here and this 3 pi naught, take this side, it will become 3 pi naught minus here already pi naught is there. So 3 pi naught minus pi naught, it will become as 2 pi naught. Clear? And here 3 hc by lambda, here 2 hc by lambda, take that side. Then 3 hc by lambda minus 2 hc by lambda, it is nothing but hc by lambda. So 2 pi naught equal to hc by lambda. This 2 will take this side, then it will become pi naught equal to hc by 2 lambda. Clear? Next one is, see here in this problem, for the photoelectric emission, a certain metal cutoff frequency. What is meant by cutoff frequency? It is nothing but a threshold. It is nothing but a threshold frequency. Now nu naught is given as nu. Then what about the work function? Generally work function will be written as phi naught equal to h nu naught. Now instead of nu naught, what you can write now? Nu. Then phi equal to or phi naught equal to h nu. Okay, by using this data we will take like that. cutoff frequency or one more threshold frequency, both are same. Okay, here both are equal. Now, if the radiation of frequency, now how much the frequency of radiation that impinges, how much the incident upon the metal plate, with how much of frequency it is, h nu. So Einstein's photoelectric equation already we know that is K maximum equals to kinetic energy maximum, Ke maximum equals to energy minus phi naught. Says or no? E minus phi naught. E is nothing but what they wrote, h nu dash minus phi naught. Phi naught how much it is? H nu. Now nu dash equal to how much it is? Here nu dash is nothing but 2 nu. Clear? So what can I substitute here? Kinetic energy maximum, that is half mv maximum square, that equal to h into frequency 2 nu minus h nu. Then what it will be? Half mv square, that equal to 2h nu minus h nu. How much it will be? So half mv square equal to h nu. By using this one, what they are asking? The maximum possible velocity of emitted electron. They are asking velocity. That means v only. So how can you write? This one you want to take that side. Now from this equation, mv square equals to 2h nu, because here 2 is divisible. If you want to take that side, it will be multiple. Says or no? Then it will become as a 2h nu. From that now v square equal to 2h nu by m. From that v equal to under root 2h nu by m. Okay, this is the velocity what we can get. This is the answer for that. Are you understand clearly? What it is? Very simple. They are asking photoelectric emission of certain metal cutoff frequency. That means threshold frequency they gave. So threshold frequency it indicates with nu naught. So nu naught equal to nu they gave. So in phi naught already we know that h nu naught. Instead of this nu naught we will substitute this nu. So phi naught equal to h nu. Clear? After that, incident frequency, how much they gave? H nu. Already we know that kinetic energy maximum, that equal to E minus phi naught. This is Einstein's photoelectric equation. Are you follow? Now, kinetic energy maximum, that is half mv maximum square. Half mv maximum square, that equal to h into how much frequency here given? Instead of this one, we will write 2 nu. So 2h nu minus, instead of phi naught, how much it is? H nu. I wrote h nu. Then 2h nu minus h nu, how much it is? H nu. Okay, from that maximum velocity they are asking. So we will write like this. V maximum equal to, this 2 will take that side, it will become 2h nu. This m take this side, it will be divisible. Then finally V maximum equal to under root 2h nu by m. Okay. Next one is, see here, when a photons of energy h nu falls, energy they gave h nu falls on an aluminum plate of work function E naught. Einstein's photoelectric equation already we know that what it is, kinetic energy Ke maximum, that equal to energy E minus work function phi naught. Clear? Or we will write as K equal to, because of kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron what they gave? They are giving as K. Are you understand? Then K equal to, what can I write now? Energy E equal to h nu minus work function. What is the work function here? They gave previous, we have phi naught. Now according to this problem what they gave? E naught. Okay. So what can I write? E naught. This is equation number 1. Then after what they are asking, what they are giving, if the frequency of radiation is doubled, now frequency will be become 2 nu. So nu frequency nu dash equal to 2 nu. Okay, doubled. Then the maximum kinetic energy of ejected electrons will be, photoelectrons will be. Now in the second equation what we want to write? Photoelectric Einstein's photoelectric equation, that is Ke maximum equals to E minus phi naught. This is the general equation. Now this maximum kinetic energy what we want to be measured, that is we will take it as a K dash. So K dash equal to, now energy will H nu naught, H nu dash, because here frequency of radiation will be become doubled. Frequency of radiation will be become doubled. That means nu dash will be become 2 nu. That's why here instead of this nu I wrote here nu dash. Okay. So nu dash minus work function pi naught. Work function pi naught. That pi naught what they gave? E naught only. Clear? Because our work function doesn't change. Now substitute here. Instead of nu dash, what you can write? 2 nu. Then K dash equal to H into 2 nu minus E naught. Then here I want to be write K dash equal to H nu plus H nu. Both we can written as 2H nu. Say yes or no? So I will written as H nu plus H nu minus E naught. It is equation number 2. Now if you observe equation 1 and 2, what you can write? In equation 1, K is nothing but H nu minus E naught. In equation 2, K dash equal to H nu plus H nu minus E naught. Instead of these all, you can write as a K. Say yes or no? Then K dash equal to H nu plus K. H nu plus K. This is the answer for that. Okay. Very simple sum and easy also. Simple first they gave as frequency nu, then work function will be given as E naught. So kinetic energy Ke maximum equal to E minus phi naught. Clear? So K equal to H nu minus E naught. It is equation number 1. Now at that time, kinetic energy maximum we will written as K. Now, the frequency of incident light will be become doubled. Double means 2 nu. So nu dash equal to 2 nu. Then Ke maximum equal to E minus phi naught. In it, K dash equals to, we want to be measure this kinetic energy maximum. Okay, so K dash equals to H nu dash minus E naught. This nu dash is nothing but 2 nu. That means 2H nu. This 2H nu we will written as H nu plus H nu. Say yes or no? Now H nu minus E naught, that is from equation 1 we can written as K. Then K dash equal to H nu plus K. Clear? Remaining we will discuss in next video.